What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Joven and TONIC fam, Crow fam. This is a very huge day today. This is a very on edge, anxious type of day, guys. You're wondering what's gonna happen, what's gonna take place. Today is the day of the FOMC meeting. Fed Chair Jerome Powell will let us know if he's gonna raise interest rates once again by 25 basis points or 50 basis points, and depending on his decision, we'll see some turbulence in the market, man. 25 BPS, oh, we bullish. It's about to get crazy. We about to go parabolic, right? If we see 50 BPS, we right back, you know, right back to the bears taking over like they were doing for the past for all of last year. Now maybe it might not be that dramatic, but the bears will definitely, you know, come out of hiding or hibernation instantly and be like, oh, now is our time once again. Because remember, guys, there's people that short and long in the market, and there's people that literally just dedicate their lives to shorting the market. They do not switch back and forth between longing. There's people that always long, there's people that always short. Perma bulls, perma bears, right? And I'm telling you guys, the perma bears will step out if we get that 50 BPS hike. So we'll see what happens. We're gonna dive into TONIC once again in this video. Dive in and give you guys more details on what we could expect from the FOMC. What could possibly, you know, take place, and you know, what are other people's thoughts and opinions, just so we could get like a general narrative of what, you know, what is to happen, right? If this is something that you're interested in, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. 2,000 subscribers on the channel. Thank you guys so much for subscribing. Let's keep the numbers going up and up and up, just like I expect TONIC's price to do, right? Like, comment, subscribe. Let's get to 3,000 subscribers next. And also support my TONIC playlist and my TONIC shorts. Now TONIC is up 2.74% on the 24-hour, peaking its head up. You can see it on the 3-month. It looks like it's ready to break out. It just needs the broader markets to be bullish, and then TONIC is gonna be ready to break out, guys. That's all it takes, right? It's ready to go. It's raring to go. We'll see what happens, right? 30,547 people on the TONIC watch list. That number is increasing constantly. $26.5 million in market cap. We're gonna break that 30 million market cap resistance anytime soon, I'm sure of it. Trade volume is doing very well. The trade volume can change in an instant, right? It could shoot up to 3 million in an instant once we have, you know, bullish news or any catalyst, right? So right now TONIC is really depending on the broader markets to you know, continue this move up, because it's on the 3-month, on the 1-month, it's ready to go. It's rearing to go. So we'll see what happens. Voltoshi, first of the month, and we get in the green. Let's go. Let's see that new all-time high. It's coming, man. It's on its way. Crypto Cowboy, everyone knows Tectonic is my favorite project of all. I have big faith in this one, and that is how it should be. It's super bullish. It's a super bullish altcoin, guys, and like I said, it's fundamentally sound. So, you know, you could have, how should I say, a peace of mind when investing, especially when you're investing right now, if the bull market has officially begun and the bear market is over. From Johnny L, let's make today a day to remember, TONIC fam. Honestly, let me give some of these some likes real quick, guys. Now that I think about it, today would be a day to remember. If the Fed comes in with that 25 BPS hike, hold on to your seatbelts, guys. Hold on, guys. It's gonna be crazy. Sam, next leg up incoming. Patience, people, it pays. From Crypto Cowboy. S&P 500, like I was saying, guys, it was just up in the green in my previous video. You know, it was when I was about to get everything recorded, everything in the market was green. And then all of a sudden, you know, we started having a bit of a correction, but we could expect volatility today. Today is going to be a very volatile day. There's going to be a lot of ups and downs, but over the short term till mid-term, even long term, I expect more up than down, more green days than red days, right? From Frank B, Tectonic on Coinbase, nice steep bump for a midweek treat. Up 2%, it's up 3-4%. Getting tracked on Coinbase. It's only a matter of time until we see that TONIC Coinbase listing. I wouldn't rule it out. TONIC could fall under the experimental asset label for Coinbase. I've seen a bunch of other projects that don't have half the use case and half the liquidity TVL like TONIC does, and they got listed on the under the experimental asset label, right? There was a number of projects, never heard of them, and they got listed on Coinbase under that asset label, and they were sitting around the same market cap TONIC was, 10 mil to 30 mil, same amount of trade volume. So I wouldn't rule out the Coinbase listing for TONIC at all. From crypto.com, TONIC, come in, make a guess. It's about to break that resistance and pop to the upside. One decision. It's a flip of a coin today, guys. It's literally a flip of a coin. We'll see. Are you going heads? Heads is 25 basis points. Tails is 50 basis points. Let's see what happens. From Will, 719 per day. Profit from vaulting. Easy money to reinvest. Take profit out anytime. Why more are not doing this is crazy. TONIC. So Will is explaining how he's making $7.19 per day vaulting his TONIC, and then he could always reinvest, right? He could always reinvest that vaulted TONIC to compound and keep getting his bag bigger. That is some bullish stuff, right? Great DeFi project, guys. TONIC is an extremely innovative and great DeFi project. You can't fade this altcoin. You really can't. And now we're going to dive into the broader markets. This is from Johnny Woo. DXY is at strong support. Eyes on FOMC and Powell's speech. I'm on edge, guys. I'm on the edge of my seat. I got my seatbelt on. I'm holding on to my seatbelt. I'll be watching the meeting, and I'll see what happens to the markets, guys. The DXY breaks down 50 basis points. The DXY is bouncing off this support and heading higher. 25 basis points, the DXY breaks down, drops below that support line, and then you will see the markets absolutely go crazy, right? Breaks the support line, we bullish. It's all gonna play out today, I think. Today and throughout the rest of the coming weeks, right? Gonna be crazy, guys. From Crypto Rover, will Bitcoin history repeat? December meeting, we had a retrace. November meeting, we had that retrace, and September meeting, we had that retrace. I hope not. I hope this time around we have a move to the upside. FOMC from Seth. FOMC most important date of the year. S&P 500 and Nasdaq at resistance/support. Bear in mind, I don't recommend holding high leverage trade into the FOMC. There will be fake movements to wick you out. Wait for the dust to settle. Bitcoin will make decisions after this. So right here we have the forecast and the previous. The previous is 4.5, and the forecast that everyone is expecting is 4.75, which is 25 basis points on 4.5, right? 4.5%, which will bring it up to 4.75%. So the majority of people are expecting the 25 basis point hike. I wouldn't go against the majority in this case, because a lot of the stock market investors are normally hit it right on the money when it comes to how much the Fed is going to raise the interest rates. So expect volatility, but this decision right here, like I said, is going to be huge for whether we continue up higher or lower. From Tajo Crypto, the FOMC outcome will either push Bitcoin below 23K or finally push it to 24K, or maybe nothing significant will happen. But today seems like it could be very volatile. Prepare for anything. Now, like he said right here, this could be the catalyst that pushes us to 24K, and then Bitcoin could start heading to 30K. TONIC, Crow, follow. From CKJ, I think today's FOMC is going to take the market by surprise. Perfect time to raise by 50 basis points to get us Fed funds at 4.75 to 5%. Next meeting, maybe they slow down with a 25 BPS hike to get us to Fed funds 5 to 5.25%. Bitcoin needs to retest the 21 EMA and 100 EMA anyway. Be ready. So here we have someone that is expecting a 50 basis point hike, and I had this tweet prepared because I was like, you have to prepare for any possibility that could take place. You have to prepare for any possibility that could take place, right? And it's all up to Fed Chair Jerome Powell, even if the broader outlook, because look at this right here, probability of 25 BPS rate cut 0.42%, probability of 25 BPS rate hike 96.9%. So 96% of people are expecting that 25 BPS hike, and we have CJK going against the grain and saying we're gonna get the 50 BPS hike because it's the perfect time to do so. We'll see what happens, guys. TONIC fam, Crow fam, thank you guys so much for tuning in. Really appreciate all the support. If you made it to this far in the video, you enjoyed the video, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Let me get your thoughts in the comment section. If this is your first time hearing about TONIC, let me get your thoughts as well. Everything TONIC and myself will be in the description. Today's gonna be a big day, guys, and I hope we break bullish. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.